What's going on YouTube? Hayden here with Reshoevn8r. Some of you guys might know me from the previous videos I did. Some of you might know me if you ever call or contact customer service. I do work for customer service as well. Regardless of how you know me, I'm here today. Today I'm going to be cleaning these cool gray 4s that I had the pleasure of wearing out in Japan when a few of us went to Osaka for SneakerCon, and I did a number on these things. I mean, there's stuff all over these. It's gonna be pretty hard to clean them, but I got faith in myself. Today we're gonna be using our 4-ounce 3-brush kit that of course comes with all of our brushes and our 4-ounce bottle of solution. We're also gonna be using our Reshoevn8r collapsible cleaning bowl and our handy dandy shoe tree. So let's get started. Alrighty guys, so for the purposes of this cleaning video, we're just gonna be cleaning this shoe, so we can just throw this one to the side. Now the next step is gonna be go ahead to remove the laces. Alrighty guys, now that the shoelaces are removed, we can go ahead and put our shoe tree in. You can adjust it to size. I have it at about the 4th hole from the top for a size 10.5 on these, and that's gonna vary. So you just wanna make sure you test it. Looks like I got it on the first try. And what that's gonna allow us to do is gonna allow us to put a lot of pressure on the shoe, so that way we're not damaging it or creasing it when we're cleaning it. So now that we got the shoe tree in, laces are removed, we can go ahead and get the cleaning started. Take our 4-ounce bottle of solution. 1, 2. First thing I'm gonna do, just to be safe, I'm gonna take our soft brush and I'm gonna dry brush it to get any excess dirt off. I don't know if it's gonna help at all, but this is what I usually like to do when I have a shoe that's like just completely filthy. So I'm just gonna take the soft brush right here and just kind of dry brush any dirt off. So, shoe looks good. Got some of the excess dirt off, so now we can go ahead and take our soft brush, dip it in the solution. And because these are suede, you wanna make sure you get out like that excess water. You don't wanna get these too wet. And then once you did that, you can go ahead and start cleaning. Uppers are done, they're looking pretty crispy. The soft brush did its job. However, there are these 2 little dots right here. I'm not really sure what they are, but it looks like they didn't come out. So I think what I'm gonna do is once this suede on the upper is finished completely drying, I'm gonna go back and hit it with the suede eraser, see if that'll do the job. But for now, let's go ahead and move on to cleaning the midsoles. And for that, we're going to be using our medium bristle brush. So let's get started. So with Jordan 4s, and I think also with like Jordan 3s, you see this visible air unit right here. Dirt tends to get stuck in there really easily, and it tends to stick if you don't clean it properly. So what I like to do is I'll just take the medium brush and kind of take like the edge of the bristles and just like kind of like really just stick it in there and then go crazy with brushing. And then you could take like the edge of your towel after that and kind of like wipe it off to get all the dirt and like suds out and stuff. Midsoles are looking nice and clean, so next step is gonna be to clean the soles. See, these things are pretty filthy, so for this, I'm gonna be using this stiff bristle brush. So let's get started. Clean the sole, as you can see, it's looking nice and icy. So the next step is to take our laces and we're gonna clean those. Let's just set this shoe aside. Take these, scrunch them up in your hand. You just dip it in the solution, get them nice and soaked, and then you'll just take them out. Just rub them between your hands. Get it nice and soapy. You wanna make sure you get these laces nice and clean. You can't have a clean shoe without clean laces. What does Johnny do with his little thing? Like, likes to do the little, oh, that sucked. Don't put that in there. Actually, hold up. Damn it. I guess I'm just not bubbly enough. All right, now that you've cleaned the laces, what I like to do is a little trick. You can take the towel you're using and just kind of string it between, just like that, to get rid of any excess water or suds. You can do this a few times. So the laces are looking pretty clean. Uppers are also looking very nice. They're still kind of wet, so I'm gonna leave them for a little bit, leave them for a few hours, let them dry, and then we'll come back and see how they look. So before we get back to this cleaning video, guys, to see how these shoes came out, I just wanted to tell you guys to go follow us on Twitter. I actually run the Twitter account. I do a lot of memes, giveaways, stuff like that. So make sure you follow us, make sure you tweet at us. I love talking with you guys, so make sure you go follow us. It's just at Reshoevn8r on Twitter. We are back, guys. It's been a few hours. We've let these dry. As you can see, they came out nice and crispy, suede, super buttery. I will let you guys know that after the first cleaning, after they dried, I noticed quite a few water spots, like over here, some on the back. So what I did is I went ahead and just hit them up again with the soft brush in solution off camera. Fortunately, this does tend to happen with suede, and there's not much you can do about it. There's no way to like spot clean this shoe or any type of suede. You have to clean the entire shoe. So I did that off camera. As you can see, they came out nice. Super happy with how this shoe turned out. You already know I use the 4-ounce 3 brush kit, one of the best kits we offer, and you can find it at Reshoevn8r.com. Before I go today, guys, I want to ask you guys a quick question. We clean a lot of shoes on this channel. We've done a lot of Yeezys, a lot of Jordans, but there's also a lot of shoes that we haven't cleaned. So I want you guys to, in the comments, let me know what Jordan we should clean next. Should it be like a Retro 17, White Cement 3, something like that? You let us know. Make sure you're following us on all of our social media platforms. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Until next time, I'm Hayden. Peace.